change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another Clean With Me here in 2021. Today's Clean With Me is actually a messy house summer cleaning motivational video. I hope that this video encourages you guys to tackle whatever mess it is that you guys have in your home, and we are starting off with just some everyday cleaning tasks here in my bathroom.
Only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
It had been a while since I had mopped my bathroom floor, so I wanted to go ahead and just get down on my hands and knees and get it all mopped and clean. And so I'm using some pine salt to disinfect it. And look at this cloth. It was honestly so gross, especially here around the toilet. I also share with you guys a before and after around the toilet and what I was cleaning. So stay tuned for that.
Can say what's wrong or right. We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
So as you can see, we are now in the master bedroom. I was gonna go ahead and make my bed, which is what I started doing, and then I forgot about the big hole in these sheets and they were making me so mad. So I actually took them off and I threw out the bottom sheet and then ended up washing the top sheet. We do have an extra set. Let me know in the comments if you carry an extra set of bedding or not, but we do. And so I am gonna have to replace the other sheets. I still haven't had a minute to go shopping yet, but I will be sharing those with you when I go out and get some.
Wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet 'cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong 'cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go blind to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm 99 above the love that we've got.
And so as you can see, I ended up moving the couch and saw a ton of dog hair. So I decided to go ahead and sweep that up in today's video. You can see in the background, my kids were watching Frozen as it was actually kind of like a gloomy, rainy day. And I really needed to get the house picked up as again, it was a total mess. So yeah, I had lots to do. And then I wanted to go ahead and take this carpet. Long story short, my dog ended up getting sick on it. And I cleaned that up off camera because I don't really want to share that on camera. It's kind of really disgusting. And then I really wanted to give it a good vacuum. And so we spent a little time cleaning this, which is always worth it if you ask me, because there's nothing better than vacuum lines.
'Cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go blind to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing that you're gonna be there all the way. It's even out the odds, it's not rational, baby. In the wrinkles of your palms lies my destiny. I don't have a choice. Just a little bit of you and I go run to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you, baby.
So now that I have the table mostly cleaned up, I wanted to share a quick Bath & Body Works haul. I ended up getting this candle which smells so good, the white tea and sage. Then I got the cucumber and lily candle as well as a hand wash. And I also got a hand wash in a coastal air scent, and they all smell so good, but there was actually quite a lack of supply at our store at Bath & Body Works, so that was all I ended up getting. And so yeah, I just wanted to quickly share that with you guys. If you have one local to you, I highly recommend those scents. And now I'm just going ahead and getting the table all clean.
You withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
So now that I got that all clean and set, I'm sharing a before and after with you before moving on, and I'm going to be sharing some editing magic with you guys here in the kitchen. But I wanted to ask you guys, now that obviously summer is here, it's actually almost over, we're going to be moving into fall soon, which is crazy. I'm not ready to let go of summer, but let me know if you have any travel plans this summer, if you're planning on going anywhere. We actually have a camping trip coming up, so I'm going to be sharing some packing motivation and cleaning motivation that has to do with that, and just kind of how to pack for a camping trip. And I also have plans to potentially drive across the country to go visit my family back home as well, which I'm really excited about. So let me know what your guys' summer plans are. I would love to hear if you have any, or if you've already been on yours.
The way I help you, you don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah, the way I help you. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Don't have to save me, just be my parachute. Yeah. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day.
All right, everybody, here is the after of my messy house clean with me here in 2021. I hope that you guys enjoyed this summer cleaning motivation. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. I share tons of cleaning motivation, clean with me's, lots of lifestyle content, grocery hauls, all the things, including organization and home DIY projects, and I have lots to come.
Keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh. Let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything.
Now it is time for me to sit back and relax, light a candle, and just soak in the clean house, as there is truly nothing better. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love because it's on.